All right, what's going on, guys? Today we got my Mustang here. This is a 2007 Mustang GT 5-speed premium. It has the 4.6 liter 3-valve, so makes about 300 horsepower, 320 torque, something like that. Could be a little bit off, but around 300, a little bit more torque. And I figured we're gonna do a little POV drive today. Take this thing out. I'll put a GoPro on the window or something. But this is the car. It's a 5-speed. You guys have seen this if you're from my channel. I drifted this with Ricer Miata, pretty much 100% stock. Only thing done to this car is a pace setter catless X pipe, which I put on, and a Borla catback. That's it. It's stock suspension, stock everything. But yeah, it's pretty fun to drive. So it's a nice autumn day out here in New England. I guess let's just go head to Mexico with this thing. Not going to do any crazy driving, but I just kind of want you guys to get the gist of driving one of these things. Here's what the cluster looks like. I got the LED is set to purple right now, but we're probably going to go grab some gas and go for a little cruise.
Yes, yes, yes!
The 4.6 does sound awesome. We have a 5-speed. I believe it's a Tremec. It's pretty nice feeling, good throws and everything. I do wish it was a 6-speed, but it's not bad. So let me set up the GoPro and we'll get going for this cruise. All right, the camera seems to be shaking a little bit on idle. Hopefully it does not continue to shake when I'm driving the car. But let's go take a trip to the gas station real quick. Probably should be wearing a mic. Probably should be mic'd up for this, but so this car is a very good cruiser, honestly. It's a super good like GT type of car. It's funny because it's called a Mustang GT, but it really is a good Grand Tour. The interior is extremely comfortable. I love the seat. I got heated seats, pretty much all the options on this one. And I drove this car, I think it was like 4 or 5 hours to New Jersey to drive with Rudnick, and it was super comfortable. Only thing was my AC compressor does not work, and it was like 90 degrees, so that sucked. But aside from that, it is a great car for long trips. I should get a GoPro foot cam. That would be pretty cool. I have another GoPro I could probably use for that, which would kind of be cool. Maybe do some heel toes and stuff. Stan's truck.
I pull up.
That thing was a brodozer. It had like 24 wides on that thing. I kind of wish the GoPro was mounted on my head so like you guys could see what I see. But typically when I wear a head mount, since I'm like 6'3", you kind of just see this sun visor right here the whole time. You don't really see any of the car. So maybe I gotta get like a mouth mount or whatever it's called, something like that, maybe a mouth mount. But I feel like that'd be very uncomfortable, and I don't know if I'd be able to talk. Hopefully there's a little spot out in Mexico somewhere we could maybe slide this thing a little bit too. This is that Forza Horizon 1 song. And guys, you know what is crazy is Forza Horizon 1 is gonna be its 10-year anniversary next month. So maybe I'll make a little video, like a tribute to Horizon 1, because that game was definitely legendary. And I know I played the shit out of that game. Me and my homies on Xbox 360, we would play that game. Me, George, Jason, my friend Sam, we would be on that game all day, all night. And that was an awesome game, man. Anyone around here will do a little... dig just to show you guys out in Mexico. I'd really like to find a place to do some skirts here, but not sure if we're gonna find that. Just driving around and talking with this, it reminds me of Zach Goes. I don't know if you guys know who that is. He used to ride like a TTR 125 around and just moto vlog basically. And I feel like I'm doing that, but in a car right now. Like this is just like an auto vlog, I guess you could call it. We'll get out up here and get a little outside shot. Maybe take some pics of my car, because this is a nice little area right here, right by this tree here. I'll pull over. All right, guys, so we're out in this field. There's some dude in his tractor right there. I don't know if you can see that. Here's the Mustang. It's out in the nice roads of Mexico. This is like my budget project car for the channel. I might be getting some coilovers for it. There might be a sponsorship or something with that, which would be pretty cool. Don't know if that's going to happen yet. But if I do get coilovers, we're going to get wheels for sure, because these wheels are fine, but I don't really fuck with them like that if I'm going to be doing coilovers and making this like a really cool looking car. Little overview on this car though. It's not perfect at all. There's a dent here, and there's like scratches and shit over the whole car. But for what it is, it's just a little drift fun car. You know, it's perfect because it's not like you're going to ruin it. It's still in pretty good shape, but yeah, there's some dents and stuff here and there. So yeah, it's got a Borla cat back, and under the hood this thing is stock AF. Very stock under here. No headers, no nothing. That dude was fucking ripping. That dude was the GoPro was on too, but that guy was hauling ass by me. Holy shit. Never been up this road. I'm gonna check it out. Lots for sale. Maybe one day I could build my dream shop up here. Oh, this is just a straight cul-de-sac. Oh, there's people living here. Should I fucking drift it real quick? Should I drift it real quick? If these houses were not being built, 100% I would have ripped it there. I probably would have set up shop there.
Presidential Lincoln or a Yukon.
There's literally some dude parachuting. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's really far away. This is not looking good. This is not looking promising. Little WRX right there on wheels. This is not looking good though. I was hoping this would be more like an industrial park. Oh, wait a minute. This doesn't look too bad. Maybe rip this lot real quick right here. Alright, we're gonna rip this parking lot here. Hopefully no one gets butt hurt. Just do a real quick hit it and quit it. And just like that, we're out. If you look behind, I literally left a huge smoke cloud. Holy shit. We're out. Now it's telling me we're low on gas. Alright, off to the gas station. We did find a little spot to swing it. I wish there was more. I wish I had someone outside to record it, but at least we found a little spot. We got a little something in. This car does love to slide. I gotta tell you guys, these Mustangs, they are very good at sliding. Like, the gears do suck because they're very long in this car. I think this car is 315s. I'd love to go 410s, but when you're just in first and second, it's awesome. It's a great car. It's very predictable. The stock suspension is kind of shitty, but if you throw on coilovers, I bet this thing would be a blast. I'm gonna go grab some gas real quick, because like I said, this thing was empty, and after drifting, it sloshed around the tank and stuff. It's telling me I got like 30 miles, so we're gonna go grab some gas real quick. Here we go, Big Y gas. I'm not even a Big Y member, but park right at this first one right here. The diesel pump. Makes him truck butt hurts mad. Alright, so as you guys saw right there, I put 87 octane in this thing because I actually don't have this thing tuned or anything. In stock they run 87. I know if you get like a Bama tuner or whatever, any of those brand tuners, and you flash a 93, that's like a lot of free horsepower right there, just because stock, it's really so conservative timing and everything because you're on 87 octane. So one day I might do that, and then I could get rid of the check engine light, because the check engine light's only there for the catless O2s. But yeah guys, that's probably gonna be the end of this video. This is a new type of video. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing it, but I figured it'd be pretty cool. I don't have much going on today. Why not just drive around, talk to you guys a little bit about the Mustang. So if you guys like this type of video, drop it down in the comments. I could make a lot more of these. I could tell stories about cars. I could talk about all the cars I've had. I've had 23 cars. I'm a 22-year-old, so I go through cars quickly. But yeah, I got tons of stories, plenty of stuff like that. So if you guys enjoyed this, please let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.